I never imagined I'd be kissing another man at my ex's engagement party. A thief. Stay calm.
Oh my god. Oh god.
You should thank me for taste testing for you. Last night you brought over that pasta.
God, just like that 3-year-old bra that was just crispy and rigid. Oh, come here. Come here. Oh.
What the hell is going on here? Who the fuck is she?
Are you blind? She's my girlfriend.
So what the hell was I for the past 3 years?
You're just a chef that smells like garlic.
I mean, men eat your food, but they dream of my thighs. I mean, when was the last time Caleb even bothered with you?
You shut your mouth, you tramp!
Hey! It's enough. Evelyn, I've never liked you, okay? My God! Seeing you in kitchen grease? Literally just makes me want to throw up right now.
Your restaurant would have tanked ages ago without my menu.
Yeah, but you're useless now. Because we are a perfect match.
Oh my God, you're still here. Evelyn, you are fired. Just, I never want to see you again.
I'm the one firing you two.
Oh.
Assholes!
Oh my, oh God! Bitch.
Assholes!
Yes.
Every penny I had, I spent on his stupid restaurant.
No.
I even kept my chef identity secret to spare his fragile ego. And for what? To be treated like garbage?
Okay. You are not spending another second on that jerk. Get up. Get up. Come on. Turn around.
The world is your voice.
Stop pouting. It's time to play.
I've been searching for you for 3 years. Where are you?
And the winner is Jackie.
Sheffy's in the lounge. She actually cured your anorexia.
Sophie? Caleb proposed. No, I think I'm gonna keep my chef the identity secret for now. I'll still help him with his restaurant, just quietly.
She's just behind this door. I think my drink's been spiked.
You good?
get that wild last night?
That asshole. Oh, Caleb. Today is not your lucky day. What in hell?
Hey, keep the meeting. I'll make it in half an hour.
Payback time.
What the hell did you do to my car?
Oh, thank God. He doesn't recognize me.
This is your car? Look, I am so sorry. Wrong car.
Yeah. Classic mix-up. I'll pay for the damages. Just let you know how much it is.
That'll be 50 grand for a repaint. Cash or check?
50 grand? Why don't you just mug me instead?
I don't have time for this. The cops can deal with this mess. Sound good?
Cops? No, don't go to the cops. Don't go to the cops.
Hello?
Don't go to the
Yeah,
cops.
I'd like to report property
Don't go to the
damage.
cops. Please don't go to the cops.
Hey!
What the hell are you doing?
Go ahead. All the cops. I'd love for them to see this.
Oh, was that a threat?
No. I'm just negotiating.
I'm in a hurry. Take this off me, and I'll let you go.
And I don't have to pay?
Before I change my mind.
Okay,
Come on.
okay.
Thank you.
I might not have the key. Seriously? We're not gonna take these off first?
No time, just follow my lead and do not act weird.
Ah, Mr. Carter. We are thrilled at the thought of you buying us out, huh? And who might this be?
This is my personal assistant.
Oh,
Hi.
hi.
We're doing a little corporate bonding thing.
Okay. Bonding, huh?
That's quite the progressive bonding exercise, isn't it? Mr. Carter, I paid top dollar for Chef E's exclusive recipe. I think that would be worth an extra 10 points on the offer, wouldn't it?
Chef E?
That's right. Carter's been chasing Chef E forever. This sale is locked.
It's not Chef E's recipe.
What?
I'm sorry, Mr. Carter. They're pulling a fast one on you.
This is the exact recipe Chef E made at the Culinary Championship. It's identical.
Yeah, Chef E would never use truffle oil in this dish. It kills the fish's natural umami. And FYI, Chef E doesn't write anything down. All of her recipes live in her head.
If they're only in her head, how would you know? So what's the deal with you and Chef E?
I am Chef E, dummy. Just a fan. Got lucky enough to chat about recipes with her once.
Boss!
It's just a lock. Why the entire circus?
Well, I heard you're in handcuffs, so I brought a lawyer. And a locksmith. And his mentor, just in case.
What about that guy?
Oh, I'm just here for the spectacle. Don't mind me.
I will take those.
Okay, You know, I saved you money back there. That will be my compensation.
Fine.
Later.
Boss, who's she?
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Oh, God. Evelyn, I've already fired you. What are you doing here?
Everything that worked about this restaurant was my creation. I'm taking my 50% share.
Cheers. Oh, as if you're worthy.
You only became head chef thanks to Caleb. You were nothing.
I kept my chef identity secret to protect your fragile ego, which clearly was wasted on you.
You're chefy. Okay, so you're pretending to be chefy when the real prodigy, Madeline, is right here? That's seriously hilarious. Oh my God, you're funny.
What happened, Evelyn? Caleb breaks up with you and you go into a full psychotic break?
I mean, behold this face, people. Scarce kiss would burn him into sterility. I mean, who would get excited about this package?
We should beat it now because my garbage can and waiting to take trash like you. So.
Okay, enough of this. Let's not let this psycho spoil our day.
Madeline, darling. Will you marry me?
Oh my God, I wasn't expecting this. Yeah, I do. See, Evelyn? Caleb clearly loves me, so you can stop obsessing over him.
What? Congratulations. You snagged an absolute gem. You know, my new guy is hotter, richer, and way more impressive. Where it counts.
What are you implying?
Evelyn, did you really invent a boyfriend to make yourself feel better?
Right? I mean, if he's real.
Where is he? Show us.
So good. Oh my God.
Fantastic. Where do I magically whip up a boyfriend? From my rib?
This is sad. Caleb rejects her, so she comes up with this pathetic story.
You know what, Evelyn, just go. I mean, at this point, you're just humiliating yourself. I mean, I'm sorry for you.
You know, why don't you use that cash for some, therapy?
He's right there.
Mr. Carter, what's Carter Group's strategy this year?
We're acquiring 10 premium restaurants to establish.
Bombshell. Carter Group CEO has a public kiss with an unknown woman?
That's literally the most powerful man in the city. There's zero chance he's dating Evelyn.
You better have a good reason for this.
So sorry. Can you just help me out?
Mr. Carter, what's your relationship with this woman?
She's my fiance.
As much as you're doing.
Any other questions?
Okay, but you could have said girlfriend. I mean, why go full fiance?
Girlfriend. A new CEO caught in a public scandal. What do you think that does to my company's value?
Well, people love a young couple in love. I mean, that kind of press could give you a bump.
Your people, maybe. Mine, not so forgiving. But that could wipe out $300 million in market value. Can you cover that?
What?
Exactly. Calling you my fiance is the only way to make this little kiss look like a PR move instead of chaos.
Okay, so what do we do? Tell them all the truth?
Sure. Yeah, we can clear it all up. If you're ready to write a $300 million check.
There's gotta be another option.
There is.
Which is?
Marry me. Contract marriage, divorce after 1 year. Your bedroom is down the hall on the left.
Fine. You corporate vulture.
Being my wife comes with specific duties.
And what are these duties? All of this is for me?
Naturally. Consider it an investment in making sure you look the part of my wife. For your everyday spending. No limit on this card.
No, I can't accept that. This is a business deal between equals.
Consider it a wedding gift.
Fine. If you insist. This is nice. Damn. This feels too real to be a dream.
You're in the wrong room.
Sorry. So sorry. Oh my god, I will leave right now. Well, jeez. What is with the attitude? It's nothing I haven't seen before.
What did you just say?
Nothing. Nothing. Just sleep talking. Sweet dreams. Too many mishaps last night. But what better apology from a culinary genius than breakfast? Hey, I made you breakfast.
No thanks.
What? You didn't even take a single bite. That's disrespectful to the food and the chef.
This isn't about respect. I've struggled with severe anorexia, which is why I have someone who handles my breakfast.
Anorexia?
Oh, is that so hard to believe?
I'm so sorry. I just had no idea. Everything in your life just seems so perfect and put together. Guess everyone has their struggles, huh?
Even someone together like me has their problems. Now,
Which is?
if you don't move, I will be late.
Please just take one bite. Just one bite and then I'll let you go, I promise. Please.
See, that's not...
Well, what do you think?
Not bad.
Didn't you say you were running late?
I can make time for breakfast.
Well then, bon appetit.
Yeah, where are you going? Didn't you say you were going to join me for breakfast?
No, it's my first day on the new job. Can't be late. But here's the address. Come by sometime.
Wait, isn't this the restaurant I just acquired?
This can't be happening. You married somebody? Ah! The bitch from that night. I'm going to see Leo right now.
Okay, so I have the hottest gossip. The boss's new wife is visiting today.
No way. I wonder what she looks like. The news clip only showed her profile. It's totally unclear, right?
Okay, what kind of dumbass comment is that? The boss's wife is gorgeous. She's the boss's wife. Just be on your toes and you treat her like royalty.
No need for the formality. I'm just the head chef.
What are you doing in the dining room? You are breaking company protocol. Just, get to work ASAP. Boom!
I'm looking for Leo.
This must be her. Oh, welcome, Mrs. Carter.
They think I'm Leo's wife. Don't make a fuss.
Just call me Jennifer.
Jennifer, absolutely, of course.
Was that the new head chef who just walked by?
Indeed. Funny how life works out that way, isn't it? You're both similar in age, yet worlds apart in status. Well, you're the boss's new wife, and she's stuck in the kitchen cooking. Oh, no comparison whatsoever. Jennifer, right?
Mr. Carter isn't in today, but we'll ensure top-notch service.
Absolutely. You and the boss are totally made for each other.
Of course. I'm the only woman suitable to be Mrs. Carter.
I'm so happy that Leo finally settled down. Do you think his wife will appreciate these gifts? Perhaps 2 more villas, too.
Mr. Carter never mentioned Evelyn. What if she is simply after his money?
You're right. Perhaps I should get to know her personally.
Oh my goodness, are you okay?
I haven't eaten. May I have some soup?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, come with me. Order anything you'd like. It's on me.
Thank you. You're so kind. I'll have a...
What do you think you're doing? This is a fine dining restaurant. You can't bring in homeless people. Get her out now.
No, you can't do this. She needs our help.
That's her problem. This is a restaurant, not a charity.
What kind of standard is this for treating guests? Every human being deserves the right to a proper meal.
Oh, please, save your bleeding heart.
Look at the new chef, thinking she owns the place, bringing in street people.
Our clientele are people of good standing. Having this vagabond around will just hurt our reputation.
Did you hear that? Hurry up and make her leave.
Her word is law around here.
Hold on. Who's the boss's wife here?
Excuse me? Has age ruined your eyes and ears? This is our boss's wife, Mrs. Carter. Oh, Jennifer.
Why are they referring to her as the boss's wife? I thought Evelyn held that title.
Okay, just because you're the boss's wife, that doesn't mean you get to humiliate people. We're all equals here.
Equality.
As the boss's wife, I am superior to you grubby chef and you dirty street trash.
Oh, did you hear that, Evelyn? Or do you want to join this piece of trash out on the street?
So these are the employees at my grandson's restaurant? Their behavior is disgraceful.
What? Grandma is at the restaurant.
Yes, Mrs. Carter somehow discovered Miss Taylor's new position as head chef, and, well, she wanted to see for herself.
Evelyn, please don't slip up in front of my grandmother.
This woman just wants some food. She won't disturb anyone.
Her mere presence spreads the stench of poverty. Who would like to dine with her around?
Remove this beggar at once or consider yourself terminated.
Garbage chef and homeless trash. You two deserve each other.
Okay, this is outrageous. With staff like you, this restaurant is doomed. I'll make sure headquarters knows exactly what happened here.
Report us? You insignificant nothing. You're fired.
You're the one that needs to be fired.
Fire me? It's rich coming from someone who looks like they sleep in a cardboard box.
Maybe she bumped her head and thought she was the CEO's granny. Oh, poor thing.
You seriously don't know who Jennifer is to the owner? And you're trying to fire her? That's comedy gold.
Her wiring is clearly fried.
Broke and insane. Now that's hilarious.
That's enough. I'm taking you somewhere decent.
Awesome! Hit the streets together. Maybe you'll gather up enough change for a hot dog. Yum, yum.
They should all leave.
You stubborn hag! Get them out of here now!
Ah! Dare you touch me? The audacity!
You lunatic! You just assaulted him. Forget leaving. You're going straight to prison.
Oh, don't twist this. You attacked us first.
Precisely. You people are a complete embarrassment to this company.
You needed a reality check.
What the hell, you psycho bitch!
Stop!
Leo, this psycho grandma is terrorizing your restaurant. Call the police now.
Yes, that's right. Street trash has no place in this restaurant.
Does everyone here feel the same way?
Oh, Mr. Carter, don't you worry. I'll remove these people at once.
Shut up! There will be zero discrimination in any Carter establishment. You are done here. Evelyn is in charge from now on.
Hold on. Leo owns this place?
Mr. Carter, I was just following Mrs. Carter's words. You know, your wife.
She's my wife. Wow, that is news to me. Get this straight, everyone. Evelyn is my wife.
She's your wife?
Oh, hold up. You lied to us?
I didn't say anything. You jumped to conclusions.
Yeah, but you never denied it, not even once.
We are so dead. We just insulted the real Mrs. Carter.
Everyone apologize to her now.
We are so sorry. So sorry.
Leo, you want me to apologize to street trash? That's humiliating.
Throw her out. You are banned from this restaurant.
Come on.
Leo,
Bye.
you can't do this to me.
Come on, let's go.
Grandma, are you okay?
Grandma? I'm sorry, I didn't realize you were Leo's grandmother.
Evelyn, you really are a lovely young woman, and you suit Leo well. I'm going to have Nick drive me home. Then I'm going to grab a few things, and I'm going to stay at your place for a bit.
Grandma, that's not, that's not necessary.
We're screwed. She's totally gonna find out about our fake marriage.
Get it together, Evelyn. You need to get home and get ready now.
Bye.
Oh, ma'am, you should probably keep your seatbelt on.
Are those two just playing house for my sake?
Miss Carter, what would give you that idea?
Their interactions seem rehearsed.
Impossible. I mean, these two are head over heels for each other.
Is that so?
Absolutely. 100%. I mean, they are amazing together. I mean, I have a front row seat.
Well, I really like Evelyn. I really think that she's what Leo needs to find real happiness.
Boss, for the love of God, don't you and Miss Taylor screw this up.
Hurry! Grandma's almost here.
She's not gonna barge in my bedroom.
Oh my god, could you please put something on?
Great. Now it looks like a real couple's bedroom. Now, after a tornado.
So how did you two find each other?
We met at a bar. One of those bar-restaurant combos, you know?
Oh, yes. And how long have you been together?
3 months.
Half a year.
Your answers?
What we mean is, we met 6 months ago, but we became a couple 3 months ago.
Actually, I've had a crush on her for a very long time.
Evelyn fell asleep in my guest room, so I thought I'd return her to you.
What's going on?
YUDER, I fell asleep in the wrong bedroom.
You make a habit of ending up in the wrong room, don't you?
I know, my fault. I will sleep on the floor. Happy?
I wondered if you wanted some warm milk before bed, but I'll let you be.
Don't move. Almost. You know your heart's racing. Grandma might pop in at any second. Sleeping separately would blow her cover immediately.
Are you sure?
Lex, I won't try anything.
Yeah, like I was worried about that. Got it?
Got it. You like what you feel?
What are you doing?
Don't you want this? Evelyn. Evelyn. Evelyn.
I really shouldn't kneel.
Evelyn, wake up. I gotta go.
I'm dead. Dear God, why would I dream something like that? Sorry. So sorry. I had a nightmare. A horrible one. I was...
A nightmare with drool.
Stop messing with me.
Let's call it even for the slap. And what were you dreaming about exactly? You nearly suffocated me.
I dreamed you were stripping and tempting me. Not exactly conversation material. I was dreaming about an excellent cuisine.
So not a nightmare. Unless you thought you were a vampire.
I did that? That's really bad.
Look, I have work later. How am I supposed to show up like this?
I could give you a scar.
I don't wear scarves.
What about some makeup? I have a really good concealer.
I think that would be uncomfortable.
You're impossible. Figure it out yourself.
Are you sure about that?
Bite me.
Sure.
Wait. I thought this was just a business deal.
Come on, don't you want this?
Are you up? Breakfast is ready.
What is wrong with me?
Where are you going at this hour?
Evelyn's still not home and it's getting late. I'm just gonna pick her up.
So when did you become so thoughtful?
She's my wife. I should take care of her, right?
Well, keep telling yourself that, but those heart eyes aren't fooling anyone.
Am I actually in love with her?
What the hell?
Look at this. Oh,
Oh, the untouchable new chef knows fear after all.
Are you insane?
You ruined me! I lost my job because of you, and now I can't get work anywhere. So it is time for some payback, don't you think?
No, let me go. Please, help!
Oh, help! No one is coming for you in this hour. Just shut up. Hey!
You got a death wish?
No, stop! He's not worth it. You hurt your hand.
Get anywhere near Evelyn again, I'll make sure you vanish for good.
Come on, let's get inside.
It's nothing, I'm fine.
Now, sit down. What?
Nothing. You just look stunning right now.
I'm so sorry. I'll be gentle. There. All done. What?
Evelyn, I want to end our arrangement.